Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a nose. Begin by sketching a large, central sphere to represent the main bulk of the nose. Next, place two smaller spheres on either side, slightly below the center sphere, which will become your nostrils. Use very light, almost invisible, construction lines to connect these three spheres, giving you a basic framework for the nose's overall shape. This initial step is crucial for establishing correct proportions and placement on your face. Now let's refine the structure. Begin to define the bridge of the nose, extending upwards from the central sphere, and clearly outline the tip. Carefully shape the wings of the nostrils, giving them a more organic and distinct appearance, flowing from the smaller spheres you drew earlier. As you solidify these forms, gradually erase your initial, lighter construction lines. This process helps you transition from basic shapes to a more recognizable and detailed nose structure, building confidence in your drawing. With the structure in place, it's time for details and shading. Add subtle creases where the nostrils meet the face, giving them a natural look. Now, consider your light source and begin to introduce shadows, especially under the tip and around the sides of the nostrils, to create depth. Blend your shading smoothly, using a soft touch to transition from dark to light. This step transforms your drawing from a flat outline into a three-dimensional form, making the nose appear more lifelike and grounded. For the final touches, take a moment to refine all your outlines, ensuring they are clean and confident. Make any last adjustments to proportions, stepping back to view your drawing as a whole. Add small, bright highlights to the bridge and tip of the nose, catching the light and giving it a polished, finished appearance. Remember, practice is key to improvement, so keep drawing. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.